I'm going to demonstrate how to use your GemPen to screen diamonds or synthetics using filter 1, filter 4, and our booklet to help you interpret the results.
First of all, make sure that you have the correct filter, which in this case is filter 1. Switch it on and direct the light towards the diamond to see if it provokes an effect. The first diamond fluoresces very clearly in blue, and it also phosphoresces. The second diamond also fluoresces and phosphoresces. The third diamond fluoresces in blue purplish, but no phosphorescence. And the fourth diamond is inert. So now we have to check to see if any of these diamonds are naturally fluorescing diamonds. To do this, you need to switch the filter to filter number 4. The third diamond fluoresces also using filter 4. The conclusion here is the first two diamonds that fluoresce and phosphoresce in blue are synthetic HPHT diamonds, as demonstrated in the booklet. The third diamond that fluoresces in blue using filter 1 and also fluoresces using filter 4 is a naturally fluorescing diamond. The fourth diamond, which is inert, using both filters, is natural. You can also screen set diamonds in jewelry and rough diamonds the same way.
Thank you for paying attention. Good luck with using your GemPen, and please consult our website, gemometrics.com, for further information. Thank you very much.